Early graying of hair is a gift from the moon. When the moon laughs, her eyes produce tears of joy that fell to the earth and onto the tops of people's heads. Although initially only few in numbers, it seems gray hairs have launched an effective peer pressure campaign intended to convert the others. One of the common traits associated with growing old is gray hair. Gray hair occurs when the body starts producing less melanin. As we age, the melanocytes that contribute the pigment, melanin, to our hair stop producing, causing hair to become more transparent, or gray. In fact, without any melanin, hair would appear white. Although gray hair may be normal for an adult, it might not seem so typical for a child. However, it is possible for children of all ages to grow a few gray hairs of their own. When and how much melanin the body produces is determined by genetics. Genetics is one of the leading causes of gray hair in children. Premature maturational schedule is a genetically determined. Research conducted in Australia published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology Symposium Proceedings discovered a weak, yet positive correlation between a history of dandruff and gray hair. This does not mean that one causes the other. However, as dandruff frequency increases, so does the likelihood of gray hair. Also, the study found the prevalence of gray hair jumped from 18% to 60% from ages 25 to 35, with much smaller rates in children. Inheritance: Caucasians are more affected by gray hair than other children, generally with a few scattered gray hairs than full-out graying. A family history of early onset gray hair usually foreshadows its potential for development in offspring. Nonetheless, there is not enough research to say for certain which genes or on which side of the family gray hair is inherited from. Certain childhood skin disorders like vitiligo, tuberous sclerosis, Wartenberg syndrome and neurofibromatosis have been indicated to induce the loss of hair pigmentation. Along with the symptom of graying hair, children with these conditions exhibit signs of seizures, hearing loss and tumors. Another cause of early graying is an overactive or underactive thyroid condition such as Graves' disease or Hashimoto's disease. Vitiligo is an autoimmune condition in which the cells that make melanocytes are destroyed, resulting in patches of hair and skin that become white. A deficiency in vitamin B12 is heavily tied to gray hair. Children who follow strict vegan diets may fall under this category. Also, children who have had surgery in which the stomach cannot adequately digest and absorb vitamin B12 may be affected. To remedy this cause, parents should administer children a vitamin B12 supplement. Contrary to popular belief, stress does not cause graying. Scientific research has supported this claim. However, recent research published in the Cell magazine found that genotoxic stress on the genes from ultraviolet light and radiation may mutate hair cells, triggering early signs of graying. Copper content of the skin of black rats and rabbits usually exceeded that of otherwise comparable white animals. Further studies suggested that copper might serve as a catalyst in the formation of pigment. Copper markedly accelerate the oxidation of dopa-1,3,4-dehydroxyphenylalanine by dopa oxidase, an enzyme present in the skin of young animals, forming a dark pigment. Don't care, thank you.